Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So given this map here, if I get my ruler and measure the distance on the map, the distance between Killington to Exeter, let's say let's say 9.9 centimeters on this map here. So now in real life, what's the distance between Killington and Exeter in real life? But I want the answer in miles. So when you're given a map, you will be given the scale, but you won't be given this. So here you would have to look on the internet. Okay, so well, 1 mile equals roughly 1.6 kilometers. Well, I want to know the distance between Killington to Exeter in real life in miles. Okay, so this distance here is 9.9 centimeters, and I want to know the answer in real life, but I want you to express it in miles. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so here the scale is 1 to 70,000. So hang on. So remember this distance is 9.9 centimeters. So the 9.9 here. Okay, so we want to know x. So really we've got to times it by 9.9. So we've got to get this number and times it by 9.9. So calculator, hang on, 70,000, 123, times 99 times 9.9 equals that. Hang on, equals that. What was that? 693 thousand here. Okay, this is a comma here. So here, yeah, I'll put a comment in here just so that it's easier to read. So I know it's 693,000. Okay, it's just it makes it easier to read. Okay, so now now we've got this in centimeters. Remember that this here is in centimeters. Let's convert it into so now we've got this in centimeters. Hang on. 1, 2, 3 here. So the decimals here. At the moment we've got centimeters. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So I'm going to divide it by 100. Okay. So to jump from centimeters to meters, I would have to do this. 1, 2. Okay. So the decimals here. Okay. And if you don't understand this part, then you can do the long route where 1 centimeter equals 100. Sorry, 100 centimeters here equals 1 meter. If you don't understand this bit here, what I just did earlier, then you would have to do this. Well, then you would have this many centimeters over here. So 693. 1, 2, 3 here, and you have to find out x. Well, this x here is this. Okay, so now this here is in meters. Okay, hang on. So at the moment, so the distance between Killington to Exeter is 6,930 meters. Now, what is that in kilometers? Well, in kilometers, well, the decimals here at the moment, I'm going to divide it by 1,000. Okay, because you should know this by heart. 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. Okay, so I'm going to divide it by 1,000 here. So the decimals here, so it's 1, 2, 3. So the distance between Killington to Exeter is 6.93 kilometers. Okay, now we need to convert kilometers into miles. So now we've been given this here. So hang on, let me just make this space. So now we've been given this many kilometers here. So this will go here, 6.93, and we want to find x. Okay, we want to find the miles. So ultimately, I would need to jump from here to here. But then, well, I need a multiplier to get me from the 1 to the x. Well, the multiplier can be obtained by getting the destination here, which is 6.93 divided by the original here, which is 1.6. Okay, so really this multiplier is is that, hang on, the multiplier would be, let me clear this, would be 6.93 divided by 1.6 equals this. So this here is our multiplier, but then this here is our multiplier. We've got our multiplier here. Well, we're going to get 1 times the multiplier. So it's just going to be the multiplier itself. So it will be 4.33 roughly. So this here will be roughly 4.33. So this here is your miles. Okay. So the distance between Kellington, the distance between Kellington and Exeter is 4.33 miles. Okay. So this is your answer.